Hey guys, this is Dylan here again. I just wanted to start making a few videos, quick little tip videos on using Vision. So this one's basically going to be why you should stay off of the 1 minute charts. I know a lot of people have probably steered you towards them or told you that it's better to trade on them. And in my opinion, it's really not. And if you're day trading, I think the 5 minutes really where you want to be. But so let me show you here why you really want to stay off of the 1 minute. So the 1 minute's really going to try to fake you out. It's going to cause you to sell too early and not take as much profit as you should. And obviously we want to take as much profit as possible, but we don't want to get too greedy. So I'm just going to grab this long signal right here. I'm going to put a vertical line right there. Let me change it to a different color so we can see it a little better, thicken it up. And then I'm going to put another one right here at this short signal where we would want to sell. And again, this is Tesla on the 5 minute. So let me go now and I'll switch it to the 1 minute. And you'll see exactly what I'm talking about. And now we can see exactly if we were trading on the 1 minute, we can see where we would have sold. We would have got in right here, probably on that long signal. So 2 minutes earlier, not going to make too much of a big deal, but we would have sold right here and missed all of this upward movement. Okay, so I'm going to take another vertical line and I'm going to put it through that short signal where we would have clearly sold because it would have faked us out, right? We would have thought it was turning around on us. You know, if you know anything about charting, we probably would have seen this resistance area here and it bouncing off that resistance, and we'd be like, okay, that's our sell point. That's where we need to get out, right? So before we go on, I'm going to move that line and I'm going to color this one different so we know, hey, this is where we would have got out on the 1 minute, based on the 1 minute. Okay, so now we're going to swap back to the 5 minute and you'll see exactly why you need to stay off of there, off the 1 minute chart. Okay, so let me zoom in here. We would have sold that maybe not even 5 minutes later. We would have sold that into the second 5 minute candle when it had barely made a push. I mean, look at how much we would have left. We would have left 5, 10, 15, 20, 25 minutes there of nothing but very bullish candles moving straight up. And just to get a price line, let's go back to the 1 minute. We'll see how much exactly we would have left. And this is why, guys, stay off of the 1 minute. I mean, it's just, there's too much going on. Now, I mean, it's profit nonetheless, yeah. But if we're going to take the position, we're going to put the money up, we're going to risk it, let's get as much as we can. Again, without being greedy, you know, let's get as much as we can. So we would have left almost $13 on the table there. And obviously Tesla, we're probably buying contracts, options, probably not buying shares. I mean, if you are, cool. $13 is still a lot per share. But $13 on a contract is hundreds and hundreds of dollars of profit that we left because we're over here messing around on the 1 minute. And again, this is going to be a quick video, so real quick, let's go back over here to the 5 minute. let's get rid of these lines and we'll do this again just to show you another example. So we got the long signal there. We'll leave these pink this time. So the long signal to the short signal on the 5 minute. Now we'll swap back to the 1. And we'll go back over here. We'll see where those positions were on the 5 minute. And you can see here, long signal exactly where we got on the 5. But we would have got faked out right here on this short signal. We would have left. I mean, yeah, it would have moved into profit, and we wouldn't have wanted to lose that profit. And so we would have bounced out of there. We would have got out, covered our contract, sure, made some profit, but we still left. Let's see how much we left here on the table. We left another $13.18 right there on the table because we're over there messing around on the 1 minute. The 1 minute is that's for, you know, scalping, and that's for the futures traders and stuff. Like, stay off of it. I'm telling you, if you just you're not going to miss anything. You're going to know when you should get out of the position. You know, it's not going to turn around on you that fast. And if you're watching it and paying attention, you'll know. Okay, so let's now go over to the 5 minute, see where our yellow line is there. where we would have sold on the 1 minute, and we'll see exactly why you should stay off the 1 minute again. I mean, we got our long signal right here, and same as last time, the very next candle, we would have got out, and look at that candle. I mean, there's no lower wick here. It's a full engulfing bullish candle, and the next one, full engulfing bullish candle, same as the next one, and this one, the body came right above the last body, so we would have known that that thing was slowing down. And so that's what I'm saying. I would just try to stay on the 5 minute. I know it's kind of a change to go from the 1 minute to the 5 minute because you think you're gonna not see something, but I promise you, you will.